This is a bomb in OpenBOM. Instead of emailing about a problem, you deal with it right here. Click Review, and you can see every comment on the bomb, like a flagged material that's not compliant, and assign who's responsible. Under My Task, you see everything assigned to you. Under Change Management, you see every change order that's currently open. Click into any task, and it takes you straight to the comment, the exact part, the exact material, the exact problem. From there, edit the revision, bump it if you need to, and create a change request. That's the whole process. You can always see the latest change requests and revisions right alongside the bomb. And approval isn't stuck with one person. Another teammate can pick up the change order, update it, and approve it. Every comment lives on the bomb item itself, assigned to a teammate, with a due date, visible right on their activity dashboard. It's real-time collaboration in context, whether your team's in one room or spread across time zones.